राम लक्ष्मण हनुमान की, गौरांग निताय महाप्रभु की, शील प्रभुपाद की, श्रीमद् भागवतम क्लास की, आप सब गोलोक जाने वाले भक्त वृंद की। हरि हरि बोल। आपकी स्माइल देख के मुझे भी आनंद आता है,
क्योंकि हमें पता है वो।
So, can we recall what we had been doing last time? Many weeks have missed out, no?
2 weeks.
2 weeks we have missed out somehow or other. So before that, what we was there?
So we.
Mike.
We. I don't know how to. So we were talking about.
Please see to it.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
So we were. There was a conversation going on between. There was a conversation going on between Bali Maharaj and Shukracharya when Vaman had appeared. And Shukracharya is exhibiting the qualities of a material guru. He is not exhibiting the qualities. He should be a spiritual guru, but he is exhibiting the qualities of a material guru. And he is giving advice. But on a material level, if we see, he is correct because he is giving the right advice on a material level, but not on a spiritual level. When he tells Bali that you should not freely give away.
Shlok number. Which is the shlok number? Canto.
We'll come to the shlok later. Just
Chapter number. Canto 8. Chapter 19.
We completed that chapter.
We completed the entire chapter. We are starting with the 20th chapter. But let us understand what is the 19th chapter. Please read.
So he is actually.
Please, Mataji, stop. Stop.
So he is acting like a material guru, not a spiritual advice giver. And he is telling Bali, why are you giving away everything? Why are you promising so much to Vamana Dev? And he tells him, he also advises him how to divide the wealth. He says you have to divide your wealth in 5 parts. For
5 भागों में wealth को divide करने को बताया, right?
For religion, for reputation, for family, for opulence, and for sense gratification. This is the way you should divide your wealth. But we had discussed how Rupa Goswami has told us in the Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu to divide it 50, 25, 25, 50 for the service of
Lord
Krishna and his devotees, 25 for your relatives, and 25 for your own contingents.
Yes.
So this is how we have been advised in the Shastras by our Acharyas. And then he says that a person who just gives away, this is Shukracharya telling Bali that if you give it all away, you're not going to be happy in this world, neither in the other world. So he says you save yourself from this, try and get yourself out of this promise because you have not uttered the word Om, preceding the promise.
Yes.
You have not. And then he compares Bali Maharaj. He says, you are the body. He compares him to a tree. He says, you are the body of the tree. You are the body, and if the body doesn't survive, how do you expect it to bear fruits and flowers? So this is what this thing. And you had made a point which was very relevant and which I really liked. You said this body has been given to us by Lord to support Parodharma and to execute Parodharma. It has not been given to us for sense gratification but to support Parodharma. This was your point when you had said. And then you said when Swat comes in a spiritual master, then Bhakti gets sidelined. After that, the last class.
Another one thing I need to add, Prabhuji, that he said he is giving it to your enemy. It's not that he is taking it, then also it's over.
Yes.
He is giving it to your enemy.
And which are the times when you can say lie?
Yes, now I'm coming to that. So this is what he's saying, and then further he says many things. But then he says, that there are 5 places in your
Dealings.
In your dealings, actually, not
where you can tell lie.
Yeah,
and you can
tell a lie,
and it is given in Shastra.
It is given, yeah. So he says if you've given your promise done, you can just lie and get away with it. So those 5 are in flattering a woman to bring her under control. or joking in a marriage ceremony. Then he says, while earning one's livelihood, then in protection of cows or brahmanas, and then when you're protecting yourself or someone else from an enemy. These are the 5 places where you can lie.
Yeah, lie. Officially lie.
Officially and get out of it.
Okay. So, we know the situation in Srimad Bhagavatam teaches everything to you. Actually, when all the 17 Puranas were written, Vyasadeva himself was not satisfied. He was morose. Writer जो लिख रहा है ना, वो खुद दुखी है. तो पढ़ने वाला कहाँ से सुखी होने वाला है? And that's why when Naradji came, he clearly told that in Kali Yuga, people will take what suits them. What?
Suits them.
And they will neglect the conditions which are applied. And that's why ultimately in the name of religion, they will do irreligion. What they will do? In the name of? Religion. Because it is mentioned over here. And that is what is happening throughout the world. And that's why Naradji told to Vyasadeva, compile the sar. What? The sar of everything. The pure bhakti. Prema bhakti, pure bhakti, Bhagavata dharma. And then the 18th canto.
The 18th Purana.
The 18th Purana is the Bhagavad Purana, which is the sar, or you can see the fruit of Veda. Nigama kalpataro kalitam phalam. Shukhamukadambrita dravya samyutam. Pivata bhagavatam rasamalayam. Wo bhavuka. So, this entire Bhagavatam teaches you the material way also and the spiritual way also. Here, Shukracharya is acting now as a material guru. And this is what you find in the material world. ऐसी बात करने वाले. और this type of ऐसी बात करने वाले लोगों को ऐसे लोग मिल जाएंगे ना तो उनको और अच्छा लगता है. Those who are swarthi, those who are not devotees, those who are swarthi, for them this type of अगर गुरु मिल जाए ना तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. You are the best guru. What you will say? तुम मेरे हित की बात कर रहे हो.
हित की और
मन की बात कर रहे हो.
Because they are saying what we want to hear.
Yeah, they are saying what we want to
hear.
You know, in the past we have seen so many gurus falling down. I do not want to take the name of that guru, but आपको अगर दीक्षा चाहिए तो आप मास में दीक्षा देते थे. क्या दे? They take मास दीक्षा और जो खाना है खाओ. नो नियम, कोई नियम नहीं. और इन इस्कॉन आपको दीक्षा लेते लेते बैंड बज जाती है. You know, it is so difficult. And if you want to take Brahman, it is more difficult. And उसके बाद अगर संन्यास लेना है तो और difficult. So it is not easy. Plus, through Bhagavatam, we learn what is a pure devotee's mentality. Now, how Bali Maharaj will refute. You have to understand, life, second life given was by Shukracharya. He died in the battlefield. He was revived by the Sanjeevani Vidya.
He was under obligation.
Yes, he was under obligation. But see the condition, Bali Maharaj, his guru, who is everything for him, and because of his blessings, he was able to win over again over Indra and occupy this Indrapur. And since he had not completed the 1,000 yagyas, he was completing this 1,000 yagyas, Ashwamedh yagya, 100 yagyas. 100 yagyas का जो था ना, 100 yagyas का, and that's why he was Shukracharya was making all the preparations that at least now he has taken the post of Indra, that qualities or qualification also should be completed. That's why that yajna he was doing.
Even with the
So-
blessings of the Brahmanas only this was happening.
Everything was happening, and the same Brahmanas, because of the Swartha, Shukracharya, because his Swartha is coming in between. And why Shukracharya is playing a role? Because Lord wants him to play such a role. Why Lord wants to place Shukracharya such a role? Just to glorify Bali Maharaj. That if a devotee is tested in all the way, he will never compromise on principles of bhakti. और हमारे अगर टेस्ट हुआ है तो हम पहले कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे भक्ति का,
तो भगवान समझ लेंगे.
भगवान एडजस्ट कर लेंगे, वी विल एडजस्ट.
Yeah, the
But-
first person to compromise is the Lord.
भगवान सब समझते हैं हमारी क्या मजबूरी.
हमारी क्या मजबूरी है. बट हियर वी सी व्हाई बलि महाराज इज कॉल्ड महाजना. He never compromised. And how he is replying to all the answers. And that is what makes him eternal in Bhagavatam, Bali Maharaj. So let's now read the answer what Bali Maharaj gives in today's chapter 20,
Canto 8, chapter
20.
20, verse 1.
1. Shri Shukha Vacha, yes.
Shri Shukha Vacha
Shukha Vacha
Balirevam Grihapati
Balirevam Grihapati
Kulacharyena Bhashitaha
Kulacharyena Bhashita
Tushnim Bhutva Shanam Rajan
Rushnim Bhutva Shanam Rajan
Uvacha Vahito Gurum.
Uvacha Vahito Guru. Translation.
Shri Shukadev Goswami said, O Parikshit Maharaj, when Bali Maharaj was thus advised by his spiritual master Shukracharya, his family priest.
He was who? Shukracharya was Kula Acharya. What is he? Kula Acharya. The word is that is used. Balireva Grihapati. Grihapati means what? The master of the household, although guided by the priest. Kula Acharya. Bhashita. Trushni Bhutva Shanam. Please read.
By his spiritual master Shukracharya, his family priest, he remained silent for some time, and then after full deliberation he replied to his spiritual master as follows.
Read the purport.
Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur remarks that Bali Maharaj remained silent at a critical point. How could he disobey the instructions of Shukracharya, his spiritual master? It is the duty of such a sober personality as Bali Maharaj to abide by the orders of his
कभी कभी लाइफ में है ना, जब ऐसा लगता है ना सिचुएशन गड़बड़ है, चुप रहना बहुत जरूरी. मतलब इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नॉट टू स्पीक ओनली.
गड़बड़ में
कुछ बोल देंगे. साइलेंट इज वेरी वेरी, it's a golden word that time. So even though how to disobey, and that's why Bali Maharaj became
very silent.
silent. क्या बोलूं अभी? He is my guru, he is everything to me, and now he is telling me to do everything ulta. Please read.
Bali Maharaj to abide by the orders of his spiritual master immediately. As his spiritual master had advised, but Bali Maharaj also considered that Shukracharya was no longer to be accepted as a spiritual master, for he had deviated from the duty of a spiritual master. According to Shastra, the duty of the
Guru is to take the disciple back. क्या होना चाहिए कार्य? Back to Godhead, not back to the material world.
If he is unable to do so and instead hinders the disciple in going back to Godhead, he should not be a guru. Guru nasa syat. One should not become a guru if he cannot enable his disciple to advance in Krishna consciousness. The goal of life is to become a devotee of Lord Krishna, so that one may be freed from the bondage of material existence. Tyakta deham punarjanma neti mameti so Arjuna. The spiritual master helps the disciple attain this stage by developing Krishna consciousness. Now Shukracharya has advised Bali Maharaj to...
Prabhuji, please write the qualities of a guru over here. Duty of a guru. What is the duty of a guru? Which Prabhupada writes in the purport. First duty is to take the disciple back to Godhead. Second, to make him Krishna consciousness, the word that is used. What else? Now read, Mataji.
Now Shukracharya has advised Bali Maharaj to deny the promise to Vamana Deva. Under the circumstances, therefore, Bali Maharaj thought that there would be no fault if he disobeyed the order of his spiritual master. He deliberated on this point. Should he refuse to accept the advice of his spiritual master, or should he independently do everything to please the Supreme Personality of Godhead? He took some time, therefore it is said, Tushnim Bhutva Shanam Rajam Uvacha Vaheto Guru. After deliberating on this point, he decided that Lord Vishnu should be pleased in all circumstances, even at the risk of ignoring the Guru's advice to the contrary. Anyone who is supposed to be a Guru but who goes against the principles of Vishnu Bhakti cannot be accepted as a Guru.
You were right. Anybody who goes against the principle of Vishnu Bhakti means who doesn't follow the four regulative principles, who doesn't follow the Guru Parampara system, then he is not accepted as a Guru. In a disciple course, there is one topic which we have called as fall down of a Guru. What is one topic?
Fall down of a Guru.
When a Guru fall down, means from his spiritual position and comes down back to the material position. What has a disciple to do? गाड़ी चलाते तो गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट भी होता है कभी कभी, नहीं होते गाड़ी में? So when you are in a movement and when you are fighting with Maya, casualties will be there. What will be there? Casualties will be there. And we have to understand one thing. There are different types of gurus. You can write 4 types of guru: Rajogun Guru, Tamogun, Sattvagun and Shuddha Sattvagun Guru. सब टाइप के गुरु मिलेंगे आपको मार्केट में. अभी चॉइस आपका है. What type of guru you have to accept? 4 types of Shuddha Sattva, Sattva Gun. Now, little more broader, so people can see. Little more bigger, so people can see. Little bigger. Now, what type of guru is Shukracharya acting like? He is acting as a Rajoguni Guru. He is not even acting as a Sattoguni Guru.
Material, too much material.
His hidden agenda is that मेरा फायदा हो जाए.
I should prosper.
हाँ. Rajoguni Guru and Tamoguni Guru. Tamoguni Guru bigger. You can write Shuddha Sattva Guru.
शुक्राचार्य को क्या जरूरत था पे ऐसे काम करने में?
No, see, Lord was actually making him play a role. We have to understand. Make him play a role, because in subtly है ना, power, prestige and money is a very big thing. Subtle चीज है. ये क्या है?
Subtle, yes.
एंड पावर, प्रेस्टीज, मनी जिसके पास का आदत लग जाए ना, अगर उसके हाथ में से वो चला जाएगा ना, तो वो पागल हो जाएगा.
Yes, yes.
सो इफ
ये तब भी था.
हाँ था ना.
तो तेरा राइट ट्रैक.
सो शुक्राचार्य वाज वरीड कि इफ बली महाराज गोज अवे, मेरा पोजीशन का क्या होगा?
नहीं उसका
मेरे को कौन फिर बुलाएगा?
How will I be maintained?
नो, हु विल, मेरे को कौन पूछने वाला है फिर? बिकॉज देवताओं को उसके गुरु तो है बृहस्पति. And if asuras are defeated, I am nowhere. So somehow I have to maintain my position. But this is done on the behalf of Lord. Lord is making Shukracharya to do like this to test whom? Bali Maharaj. We have to understand. We do not have to blame either Shukracharya or somebody else. Everything has been designed just to glorify Bali Maharaj. This entire, because the vision, they are Trikaladarshi, all these people. So Shukracharya was only given vision up to the punishment. punishment के बाद में जो reward that Bali Maharaj got, that was not revealed to Shukracharya. Only punishment, and that after this punishment he will go to hell. You know, when he was binded, Bali Maharaj will be binded and then he will be punished. So he was able to see up to that point. Uske aage, Lord himself will become, doorkeeper, and he will be given Sutal-lok, and he will be surrendered everything. That was not revealed to Shukracharya. So Shukracharya got worried. Anyhow he is going to get defeated, he will get lost and he will get punished. तो भाई अभी बचा ले अपने आप को, झूठ बोल के भी बचा ले. ओम नहीं बोला है तूने, यू हैव नॉट सेड, ओम नहीं बोला है, और ऑफिशियली मैंने तेरे को बता दिया हूँ शास्त्र के आधार पे, ये 5 टाइम पे तू झूठ बोल सकता है. You can say lie during this 5 times to protect yourself, to protect your earnings. In marriages also, झूठ चलता है. बाद में जो होता है होने दो. So these are the things that he is trying to share from the Shastra. So here we see in the Tamoguna, who are the gurus? We have to understand. Bhuta, Preta, Tantric people. All the Tantric are there. In the market you will find such type of people who are doing Tantra, Mantra, Vidya, Bhuta, Preta, Vidya. They themselves will become Bhuta, Preta in their next life. और जो उनके साथ में भी है वो भी भूत प्रेत बनेंगे. And they never want to do good for themselves or good for others. वो दूसरे को भी बर्बाद करेंगे और by black magic और खुद भी दुखी रहेंगे और वो दूसरे को भी बर्बाद करते. They will never see anybody good. This type of gurus. And this type of gurus, they will they are like parasite. They are like parasite which thrive on innocent people. This type of tamoguni people. And there are full of market. ये market बहुत ज़्यादा है. ऐसे type की market? No, you have to understand. See, when you come in Bhagavatam class and when we are dealing with the false gurus there, so what are the false gurus? We have to understand. Prabhupada clearly says, Guru is that guru which takes you back to the Godhead. If we had not come over here, if we had not come in association of Guru Parampara, if we had not read Bhagavad Gita, if we had not, maybe many people are there in the market already. Yesterday I was listening to one of, article, I was reading one of the article. So in the jails also there are so many gurus inside. जेल के अंदर, हाँ, यहाँ नहीं, एक्चुअल जेल के अंदर भी ऐसे जो बोगस मैनी पीपल, उसमें एक मिर्ची गुरु का आया था क्या? हाँ, मिर्ची गुरु. That article, and article happened because one husband and wife, they involved into this blackmailing by raping widows. किसको? And उनको blackmailing करना. This is a real article. And उसका गुरु कौन था? ये मिर्ची गुरु. Because he himself was involved in rapes. So it is a fact which I am speaking. It is not something fictitious. So this comes in Tamoguni gurus. Now the topic is about this type of gurus. Then comes Rajoguni gurus. What are Rajoguni gurus? And in Tamoguni gurus also Bhuta Pret Tantrics, and you can also say the terrorist gurus.
Yes. Those who indoctrinate you.
Terrorist guru. आप जाओगे किधर? Involved in drug trafficking. Drug trafficking करके भी they do thrive the business. specifically in Latin America, this types of they are herbs where they flourish this drug business, and they have cities and cities, cartels and cartels, where they consider themselves as their whole and soul. उनका घर, उनका बार सब दे मतलब उनसे ही चलता है, इसी चीज से चलता है, मनी, फाइनेंस एंड यही से. And they also come in this tamasi gurus, which they act. They are meant for destruction of the samaj. जो आया उसका भी destruction, और जिसके लिए जा रहा है उसका भी life destroyed. So there are more people
गुरु क्यों बोल रहे हो?
because they act like a guru. हम तुम्हारा भला करने वाले हैं.
Self-styled gurus, they are self-styled.
Yes, yes. Yes, see all the 4 activities: meat eating, gambling, intoxication, illicit sex life. You go to Thailand, it's thriving because of this.
वहाँ की economy
इस पर चलती है. So कोई ना कोई तो गुरु होगा. So all these 4 activities: illicit sex life, gambling, meat eating, intoxication. I remember one thing, gambling का, लॉस वेगस है ना, गैम्बलिंग वेगस. तो वहाँ पे बैटिंग का इतना उन लोग का क्रेज हो जाता था बिकॉज ऑफ स्टेइंग इन दैट, कि नर्स लोग है ना बैटिंग करती थी वहाँ पे. नर्स लोग जाती थी तो उन लोग बैटिंग करती थी कौन सा पेशेंट पहले मरने वाला है. और जब उनको लगता था कि ये पेशेंट नहीं मरने वाला तो उसका लाइफ सपोर्ट खींच देते थे बिकॉज ऑफ बैटिंग. दिस इज रियल स्टोरी. हाउ डेंजरस. People can go to any level when you come in contact with this type of gurus in your life. कोई तो गुरु रहता है तब जाके आप ऐसे हद तक you do activities. Why these people go and blast themselves? Blast क्यों कर देते अपने आप को? And small children को blast करवाते. Small children, 10-12 years children. So this type of gurus they encourage.
Those madrasas they have.
They encourage them, Prabhu. And that's why we have to know when you come in Bhagavatam class that this type of gurus are also there in. Please save yourself. अब मेहरबानी करके अपने आप को बचाओ. हाँ? Because these are the people who actually are meant for destructions. Then comes Rajogun Gurus. Who are Rajogun Gurus? Who are only their focus is wealth. You write. Money, status, power, respect. Politicians. Or you can say business people.
Entrepreneurs.
Fame, name. You know, कितने बड़े लोग हैं जो गुरु बन के बैठे हैं. And people get influenced by them. Lifestyle coaches, sportsmen.
Motivational speakers.
ये filmy people, they act like gurus. उनके पिक्चर देख के they think that ये इसको ही फॉलो करना चाहिए अपने लाइफ में. हाँ? साउथ इंडिया में तो उनके खास मंदिर बनते हैं. They are gurus, they are ideals, और फॉलो करते उनको और सोचते हैं कि हमारा जीवन का भला हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा? नहीं, yes, this is how they try to follow. हाँ? Many people. सबको धीरूभाई अंबानी की स्टोरी बताएंगे और बोलेंगे धीरूभाई आप भी मेहनत करो. अरे मेहनत से कोई धीरूभाई अंबानी बनता है क्या? ओनली मेहनत से नहीं होता है भाई. मेहनत तो हर कोई कर रहा है. भाग्य भी चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? और उसके बारे में कोई नहीं बताएगा. हाँ
will not name any personalities. We are getting streamed live.
okay, ठीक है. So we have to understand one thing. Okay, there are many people who come in this categories of Rajogun gurus, huh? That they act like the people, power and sense enjoyment. What? They try to show themselves, we are so happy, you follow our life. What? And people try to, whether they are film stars, whether they are cricket stars, whether they are politicians, whether they are so-called this, they all come in, and that's why Prabhupada says, Andha yathe andhe upaniyaman. One blind person is directing another blind person, and where they are going? In the khadde mein ja rahe. That is the word Prahlad Maharaj is using. Andha yate andhe upaniya. One blind person is showing the way to another blind person. Then comes the Satogun gurus. In this, Mayavadis, you can write, Gyanvadis, Karmakandis, the so-called good people. Manav Seva. What people? Social, Manav Seva. There are so many institutions. They are doing this sevas. NGOs. You can, social worker, social and all these people. Mayavadis, Gyanvadis are there. According to us, if it is not Krishna Bhakti, because Shastra it is said, it is not Krishna Bhakti, then they come in Yato, Jnanavad, Mayavad, Nirakarvad, they all come in Satoguna. And ultimately what will happen? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उन लोग को स्वर्गलोक मिल जाएगा. Where they will go? But they will not get out of the chakra of the birth and death. Because the chakra of the birth and death one can only come out yat karoshi, yad ashnashi, yad juhoshi, dadashi, yat tapasyasi kaunte, tat kurushva madarpanam, shubha, ashubha falereva, moksha ese kar. Unless and until you are not able to burn your good and bad karmas, you will not be able to get out. And Lord says it is only and only possible when you give yat karoshi, yad ashnashi, yad juhoshi, dadasi. When you are able to give everything to me, keeping me in the center, then only you will be able to come out of this, the Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi, Adi Devik Adi Bhautika. Clear cut mentioning is given. So there are so many institutes who fall in Satogun level. Prabhuji is saying we should not name now, so we will not name, but we know. Yes.
I have a question, Prabhu. Now we know Satogun, Rajogun. We also know the people अपने आंखों के सामने. But हमारे जो fraternity जो so-called guru है, who are now blaspheming other Vaishnavas and claiming to be a guru. In what category they will fall?
What happens when you are in Satogun also? In Satogun there are Kanishta, Madhyam, Uttama. What are there? In Satogun also there are 3 categories. आज आपको मालूम है एडवोकेट्स एक आपको इधर भी मिल जाएगा. किधर? हाँ, उधर खड़े रहते बेचारे, बाहर से आते हैं. One you go to Sessions Court, one you go to High Court, and one go to, all are advocates. But then why the category is different? So in the spiritual life also, there may be somebody may come into devotee, but still he has many शुद्धि नहीं हुआ है, आत्म शुद्धि नहीं हुआ है अभी भी. We all are patients. क्या है? हॉस्पिटल में कोई कौन जाता है हॉस्पिटल में? किसका पेट दर्द होता है, किसका हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम है, किसका सर का प्रॉब्लम है, किसका आँख का प्रॉब्लम, किसका तो पागल है इसलिए जाता है. तो एवरीबडी का कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा बहुत इलाज होता है। और हॉस्पिटल के अंदर एवरीबडी वेयर व्हाइट कोट, ऐसा नहीं है। सब सफेद कपड़ा पहनते हॉस्पिटल में, लेकिन डॉक्टर कितने रहते उसमें, और उसमें भी अच्छे डॉक्टर कितने रहते। हाँ, तो वैसे ही स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ में भी देयर आर कनिष्ठ, मध्यम और उत्तम। और आचार्य से व्हेन यू मीट अ कनिष्ठ, उस पर दया करो। क्या करो? सहन करो उसको। क्या करो? जब आप मध्यम लोग से मिले, उनसे फ्रेंडशिप करो। यू शुड डू फ्रेंडशिप। ददाति प्रतिगृह्णाति गुह्यम आख्यम पुच्छति भुंजते भोजते चैव षड विधि प्रीति लक्षण। दिस आर द लक्षणस दैट वी शुड बी डूइंग विथ योर। बट व्हेन यू गेट अ सीनियर पर्सन, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू सर्व एंड टेक द ब्लेसिंग्स। क्या करना है? सर्व एंड टेक आशीर्वाद। उनके हृदय से अगर कोई आशीर्वाद निकल गया आपको, आपका उद्धार हो जाएगा। No, we are talking about.
There you have written Karma Kandi. Have you written Karma Kandi?
Karma Kandi also comes in Satogun.
Karma yogi will come.
Karma yogi. Yogi, you can write Karma yogi.
Yeah, not Karma Kandi.
Karma Kanda means they inspire. In Satoguni also, you know what happens. ऐसे बहुत सारे आपको ब्राह्मण मिल जाएंगे, ये करो आपका यज्ञ पूरा हो जाएगा, आपका ये पूरा हो जाएगा। दे आर ऑल्सो अच्छे ब्राह्मण हैं, लेकिन वो यज्ञ करवाते हैं, पूजा करवाते हैं, आपका कार्य करवाते हैं, इसमें से ये निकलो, इसमें से ये निकलो। तो वो इस पूरे सतोगुणी हैं। क्या है? दे आर ऑल्सो सतोगुणी पीपल। आपका वो काम करवाते हैं, यू नो, दोष निकालते हैं, कार्य निकालते हैं, यू नो, दे डू पूजास। They and take something out of it, you know, Shani dosh, Mangal dosh.
35,000 rupees.
जो 1100 लेगा वो 700 में जाएगा।
So you will find that type of gurus also. ऐसा नहीं है, कैटेगरी नहीं है। हाँ, but
Prabhuji, what categories do the karmis come in? You know, because Prabhupada used to.
कर्मी है ना, इसमें आ जाएंगे, रजोगुण में, रजो में कर्मी।
Because Prabhupada used to call them asuras. You know, these karmis. And
No, we have to understand Rajoguna and Tamoguna are going to go hell.
okay.
These are all these Rajoguna and Tamogunas. ऊर्ध्व गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्थ, मध्य तिष्ठति राजसा, जगन्य गणवृत्ति, अधो गच्छन्ति तामसा। These are the words of शास्त्र।
जो तो अर्थ पे रहेंगे ना प्रभु जी।
अर्थ में भी कौन से जगह पे उन लोग भोग रहेंगे,
कौन सी
उन्हीं में उन लोग भोगेंगे।
That is there.
समटाइम यू नो, घर में भी ऐसे लोग के साथ में हम लोग रहते कि ये लाइफ हेल हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ अ पास्ट कर्मास। समटाइम इट हैपेंस दैट वो घर भी एक जेल, ये नर्क बन जाता है, उसका लाइफ भी एकदम बेकार हो जाता है। क्यों ऐसा? बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ गुरुज। एंड हमको ये सब गुरु के बारे में शील प्रभुपाद बता रहे हैं, यू नो। एंड शुद्ध सत्व गुरु इज अ गुरु विच शील प्रभुपाद, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Maharaj, all our acharyas, they have centered all the 6 Goswamis, you can write, Guru Parampara system, towards Krishna. They connect you with Krishna. And that's why when we were reading of Srila Prabhupada, Leela Amrita, now every day we are reading about Mahatma Gandhi's and this thing.
Very nice.
The interaction.
Huh?
I really like that when he said he's a statesman. He is not anything else. Like,
Yes.
can't take him as a guru.
Yes, yes. Means he is a saint among politicians.
Saint
What?
among politicians. Very nice.
He is a,
Saint among politicians.
but not amongst the saint, he is a politician. संतों के बीच में वो politician है. And the problem that Prabhupada identifies is that he is not connected with Guru Parampara system. He is not connected with the words of the Guru Parampara and not try to become Das, Dasanu, Das. That is the problem. When you don't want to become Das, Dasanu, Das, Hanumanji, he was so powerful. But because Surya Dev ordered him, that please you always protect my
Sugriv.
Sugriv.
He supported it.
We know how powerful Hanuman ji is, more powerful. But उन्होंने अपने ईगो साइड कर दिया. He became a servant, Sugriv, and never went ahead of Sugriv. Even though he was more capable, more powerful and everything, he went back only. And he was taking orders from Sugriv. And he was protecting Sugriv. Why? His Guru told. We know about the order in the Ramanujacharya story. How every night he used to talk with the Lord. गांव वाले आते थे. Vardharaj. What was the word? Vardharaj. He used to talk with Vardharaj, Ramanujacharya. So every गांव का people अपने problem लेके आते थे. Vardharaj से पूछते थे. Vardharaj used to give the answer. One night the person who was serving him, because at the night time क्या wind up की सेवा is the very difficult सेवा in any program, and especially at the night time winding up it is more difficult. So one person used to be always there at the night time to wind up. Whom? Ramanujacharya. And he became very old. He was almost going to leave his body. उसने बोला कि आज आप मेरे भगवान से पूछ लो, आप वरदराज से, will I be able to come back to his place? So was that okay? Ramanujacharya asked Vardharaja, and Vardharaja told, yes, he will definitely come because he is serving you in the help. तो उस टाइम थोड़ा उत्सुक सा हुआ. किसको? Ramanujacharya. What about me? You will not come. Why you will not come? You are not served till now any Vaishnava. Unless and until you do not become Das Anudas, you will not be able to come to me. So उसने उसी दिन से सेवा छोड़ दिया वरदराज की. And then he went in the village and tried to disguise himself and served a lower person as a, इनके गौशाला में सेवा करने लग गया. Ramanujacharya. So that is what is, Shuddha Sattva Guru Parampara system. Srila Prabhupada, क्या जरूर था 70 साल की उम्र में जाने का, और 40 years he faced failure in his entire life. Thorough poverty. क्या था? Thorough poverty. You read the Prabhupada Leela Amrita. एक पैसे का लिए Prabhupada used to, when he was printing the books, and चल के जाते थे. रिक्शा का पैसा नहीं था, प्रिंटिंग का पैसा नहीं था. प्रिंटर was saying, कब पैसा देगा, कब पैसा देगा. बोलते आएगा. Thorough poverty. When he went and in the ashram, in the Gaudiya ashram, dhoti भी नहीं था. And when he was asking for dhoti and typewriter, तो the ashram वाला saying, इतना ज़्यादा demand है तुम्हारा. So entire life Srila Prabhupada lived in a thorough poverty and trying to preach. दामोदर मंदिर में रहते थे, राधा दामोदर मंदिर. Entire night he used to write. Why? Because my Guru Maharaj has ordered, I am writing. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to South India, that Brahmana was crying. He was literally crying when seeing the Bhagavad Gita, and he was not able to pronounce the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita, and all the Brahmanas were laughing because he was not able to read only Brahmana. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, why you are crying? He says, when I see the photo of Lord, who is the Akhila Brahmanda Naik, who is the Nath of everybody, who is the rider of everything, who everything runs from him, he is the source of everything. He sits and he becomes a driver. Then that bhava pains me a lot. And that's why I whenever I remember, tears start flowing, understanding the bhava of the Lord. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, then why you are not able to read? Why you are? He says, my Guru told me every day to sit over here and read Bhagavad Gita. So I am trying to just follow instructions of my Guru. Huh? No, so I am just trying to instruction. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you have understood Bhagavad Gita perfectly. You have understood? Perfectly. So when we study these types of Guru, we are very fortunate that we at least come in the Shuddha Sattva, and according to that's why we are discussing Bhagavatam. Now our goal is set. Go back. क्या है? But that the only key to is by serving the Vaishnavas. How is it? Guru and Vaishnavas, when we serve them and their blessings are there, sufficient blessings are there, then only आपका वीजा अप्रूव होगा. हाँ, नहीं तो it is not possible. So we are very fortunate that at least we could identify the types of gurus which are, when we are talking about Shukracharya, that he is acting like this type of a guru. So we can understand how a real guru should be, whose main goal is only to evoke bhakti, give bhakti and engage you in bhakti. That is the main function of a Shuddha Bhakti. Okay, please. Yes.
In the earlier slok, there is a mention that one for the livelihood one can speak a lie.
हाँ.
Can we accept it?
See, when you come on material level, when you want to stay in this material world, that is all लागू पड़ता है. क्या लागू पड़ता है?
All these conditions.
हाँ, लागू पड़ता है.
5 conditions.
बट उसका कर्म भी लगेगा. क्या लगेगा? यू हैव टू फेस द कर्म रिएक्शन ऑल्सो. इतना ध्यान रखना, कोई भी चीज विदाउट कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस नहीं है.
पर अगर हम गौ और ब्राह्मण को बचाते हैं तो थोड़ी लगेगा.
ठीक है, तो पुण्य लगेगा, कुछ तो लगेगा, कर्म का रिएक्शन तो बनेगा, गुड और बैड का कर्म रिएक्शन. एंड वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन गुड रिएक्शन, वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन बैड रिएक्शन. बहुत बैड रिएक्शन भी कर लिए और ये करते आए हम लोग फॉर हाउ मेनी लाइफ्स, मिलियंस ऑफ लाइफ, और वही कंटिन्यू करेंगे क्या? हाँ, वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द सेम प्रॉब्लम विच वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग इन द पास्ट, और वी हैव टू चेंज द ट्रैक. So when we are discussing this topic of Bhagavatam, Shukracharya, we have to discuss these things. नहीं तो हमको मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा कि समाज में लोग है ऐसे टाइप के लोग, और आपको उनसे बचना है प्लीज. और आपको किसको चूज करना है एज अ गुरु? हु हेल्प्स यू टू टेक बैक टू द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड. You should thank yourself that you came to ISKCON. You should thank that you are connected with Srila Prabhupada. You should thank that at least you have some seva. क्या है आपके पास? कुछ तो सेवा है. कृष्ण की सेवा है आपके हाथ में, जिसके you Krishna sees, because that seva is the key to going back to Godhead. By attitude होगा आपके पास में ना, तो आप नहीं जा पाओगे, बिकॉज लक्ष्मी जी का भी एटीट्यूड नहीं छोड़ पाई. लक्ष्मी जी, शी कैन नॉट लीव दैट ऐश्वर्य भाव, एंड शी इज डूइंग तपस्या, बट शी इज नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर. शिवजी लेफ्ट द एटीट्यूड एंड बिकम गोपेश्वर महादेव. नारद जी बिकेम नारदी गोपी, and they became gopis, they became like themselves, and they were allowed to enter in the pastime. But Lakshmi ji was not allowed because of the Aishwarya attitude. So becoming Das, Dasanu, Das, Dasna, it's very difficult. Because ego has to be compromised. What? That is very difficult to compromise. But that we have to learn under the people who are acting as Das, Dasanudas. Okay, let's.
Some more question.
Yes.
And the Ritvik people, where do they follow? Because they follow everything what we do.
But they do not follow the Guru Parampara system. This is Ritvik system. There should be positive and negative both things. You should understand. If something is going, there has to be Krishna's plan. Without Krishna plans, Ritvik thing also cannot progress. Why Ritviks are there in Krishna movement over here? Because Lord, if we see positive side, negative side नहीं देखते आप लोग. Negative side के लिए तो अपन बहुत है. Positive side we will see. We devotees see the positive side. What we should see?
Positive.
GBC is the full controller. क्या है?
GBC.
You cannot question GBC because हमारे लिए वो आदर है, भगवान है हमारे लिए. क्या है वो? हमारे गुरुजन है. हम क्वेश्चन नहीं करते उनको. गुरुजन को हम, और उसमें जीबीसी को हम कौन क्वेश्चन करने वाले. और भगवान को ये मूवमेंट है ना 10,000 साल चलाना है. कितने साल?
10,000.
तो कब चलेगा मूवमेंट? उन लोग कोई गलती नहीं करे. कौन? जीबीसी गलती नहीं. तो उनको करेक्ट कौन करेगा? ऑपोजिशन पार्टी होना चाहिए ना कोई. वाई फॉर व्हाट? इन लोग गलती कर रहे हैं, पकड़ो, एक्सपोज करो. तो दे बिकम मोर कॉशियस अबाउट देमसेल्फ. वो उनको हमसे डर नहीं है. उनको किससे डर रहता है? उन लोग से डर रहता है कि हम लोग अगर कोई गलती किया तो क्या वो एक्सपोज कर देंगे हमको. तो वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी कॉशियस. तो ये हम कृष्ण का प्लान देखते हैं. क्या देखते हैं? यू अंडरस्टूड? क्योंकि भगवान को क्या है?
The Ritviks will expose it.
Yes, the GBC.
And vice versa, the GBC will expose it.
नहीं, GBC will expose them also that they are wrong. But एक काउंटर बैलेंस रखा है भगवान ने. इसके लिए?
For
smooth functioning of this.
Smooth function of this movement, mission. The mission has to go on. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu mission has to go on. And check and balance has to be there. ऋत्विक्स.
the Ritviks, the Bangalore.
वो है, एक पार्टी है, इस्कॉन की एक पार्टी है. आईडीसी हो जाओ तो आईडीसी में आ जाओ. In the IDC we discuss this thing.
They are concentrated only in that
Bangalore temple. Only Bangalore. They are concentrated on the Bangalore temple. Bangalore. But sometimes we think they are completely wrong. They are completely wrong in philosophy. They are completely disobeying the Guru Parampara system. Everything is wrong. Then somebody is saying why they are flourishing. I say Krishna is helping them. What? Why? Because Krishna wants something to happen. जिस दिन नहीं चाहिए उस दिन उड़ जाएंगे.
Or maybe someday they will come back on the track.
Whatever, see, we see from this angle. क्यों करवा रहे भगवान? क्योंकि भगवान जैसे शुक्राचार्य को करवाया. शुक्राचार्य के बुद्धिमान नहीं थे एकदम, लेकिन फिर भी भगवान ने उनको एंटी बनवाया. किसके लिए? कि भाई अल्टीमेटली इसके द्वारा किसकी महिमा बढ़ेगी? तो ऋत्विक के द्वारा इस्कॉन की महिमा बढ़ेगी. किसकी? क्योंकि इन लोग कोई गलती नहीं करेंगे. क्या नहीं करेंगे? यू अंडरस्टैंड? जैसे बली महाराज की अभी महिमा बढ़ जाएगी बिकॉज नाउ ही इज गोइंग टू आंसर. और आज का क्लास खत्म हो गया. बट इट वॉज इंपॉर्टेंट टू डिस्कस. Did you like, we stuck over here, but it was important or not? Huh? सिद्ध पुरुष ना इस सत्वगुण में आ जाएंगे. सत्वगुण, यस. नो सिद्धि पुरुष. सिद्धि, हाँ, जो सिद्धि, अष्ट सिद्धि, कुछ सिद्धि रहता है, योगी, अष्टांग योगी, they come in सत्वगुण. They are not शुद्ध सात्विक. If they are using that siddhi for the purpose of seva of Krishna, like Hanumanji. Hanumanji has Ashta Siddhi. He becomes smaller and smaller, he can become bigger and bigger, he can heavy and heavy. But he is using all his Shakti for the On the other side, if you see Saurabhi Rishi, he was inside the water. He used his siddhi to create walls and tapasya, but he used his siddhi to curse Guru. उसने क्या किया? अपनी सिद्धि किसके लिए किया? From tomorrow you should not come in my area. मैं मछली बचाओ आंदोलन की चालू किया हूं. कौन सा आंदोलन? तो मेरी एक भी मछली को इधर मेरे एरिया में खाया तो कल से तुम मर जाओगे. मैं मेरी सिद्धि से श्राप देता. सौभी ऋषि. And ultimately what happened? जाके 50 शादी कर लिए. So they come in this category. Okay? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. So what is the lesson in today's class we learn?
To be thankful that we are with Shuddha Saptavati.
We are thankful to Srila Prabhupada that we got Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita and arranging this Vanshi hall and Bhagavatam class. We should thank to Radharas Bihari that so much they have struggled and fruits we are enjoying. Fruits we are enjoying.
फिर भी कंप्लेन करते हैं हम लोग.
ये भी हमारा प्रारब्ध है.
What else we learn? Yes, Mataji?
Prabhuji, after hearing all the arguments of Shukracharya, Bali is not saying anything, he is just keeping quiet and he is contemplating.
Huh.
That how
So when the situation comes in your life, chup raho,
it is better. If you don't
Kya
know
raho?
what to say,
become
silent. And if you don't know how to react, then it's better to
Huh?
be silent.
चुप रहना चाहिए ऐसे सिचुएशन. साइड में निकल जाना
So he
चाहिए.
is contemplating.
Yes. Lord is using Shukracharya to glorify Bali Maharaj. So Lord is using Ritviks to glorify ISKCON. That how ISKCON will flourish tomorrow by not doing anything wrong. Even though there may be many complaints coming, they will flourish. And because it is Mahaprabhu's movement. हाँ? Otherwise ऐसा कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूट है कि गुरु जाने के बाद इतना फ्लरिश हुआ? टेल अस इन द हिस्ट्री. कौन सा ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट है कि गुरु चला गया और उतना फ्लरिश हो गया? हाँ? गुरु के बाद तो कितने फॉरगॉटन हो गए. इंस्टीट्यूट के इंस्टीट्यूट सब बंद हो गए. हाँ? No, GBC body is there. A single person. It is a committee which is running actually. It is a GBC governing body. We have to understand that thing. No one person is. Gopal Krishna Maharaj was in charge, and similarly the post has been given to Guru Prasad Swami Maharaj, who is American Maharaj. He has been given. But घर का जो आदमी रहता है ना वो ज़्यादा समझता है. हमारे इंडियंस का जो मेंटालिटी है ना, घर का आदमी चाहिए. मतलब ही नो डाउट दे आर ऑल वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बट घर का जो आदमी चला जाता है ना तो वी फील वॉइड. क्या लगता है? एम्प्टीनेस. ओके, व्हाट एल्स?
प्रभु जी जैसे वो गुरु जी हैं आसाराम बापू जी, उनके बारे में
नाम नहीं लेना.
बंद हो गया.
एक बार मैं दिल्ली से आ रहा था,
हाँ हाँ बन हाँ
ट्रेन में एक हस्बैंड वाइफ मिले, वो उनके फॉलोअर्स थे.
हाँ
तो दे सेड कि हमें हमारे ग्रुप में आज भी विश्वास है.
हाँ.
उन्होंने जो बताया है वो हम आज भी करते हैं.
हाँ.
और ही हैज नॉट डन एनीथिंग
Wrong.
उनको फंसाया गया.
उनको फंसाया गया. बराबर है. ये देखो क्या है, मैं आपको एक बताता हूँ. एक प्रश्न पूछा था हमारे राधा गोविंद महाराज से इसी कैटेगरी के मामले में कि क्यों ये तो हरामी लोग रहते हैं सब लोग, ये जो इसमें फंस जाते वो तो हरामी नहीं है, जो इस चक्कर में फंस जाते वो क्यों फंस जाते? नहीं, तो बहुत सुंदर उत्तर दिया राधा गोविंद महाराज ने कि ऐसे लोग क्यों फंस जाते उनके चक्कर में. तो बोलते हैं कि जब बहुत पुण्य किए रहते हैं, क्या किए रहते हैं, और जब आपका पुण्य का उदय होता है, क्या होता है, तब आपको कोई भगवान शुद्ध गुरु देता है। क्या देता है? या कुछ ऐसा रास्ता बताता है जिसके तुम आप भगवत धाम वापस जा सकते हो, क्योंकि शुद्ध भक्त और उनके सिवाय आप उधर शुद्ध भक्ति के बिना आप जा नहीं सकते हो। तो आपके पुण्य सुकृति बहुत होनी चाहिए। क्या होनी चाहिए? पहले की। वैसे ही जब आपकी बहुत पाप बढ़ जाते, क्या बोलते, जन्मों जन्मों का दुराचार पाप का उदय होने वाला होता है, तो आपको ऐसा एक बोगस गुरु मिलता है जो आपको डुबा देता है।
लेकिन वो पूरे उनका विश्वास करके
होगा होगा
पूरा वो कर रहे हैं जो
होगा, क्योंकि उनको अभी तक शुद्ध भक्ति, उनका अभी तक शुद्ध भक्ति से लगाव पड़ा नहीं है। क्या नहीं पड़ा है? उनका शुद्ध भक्ति की भागवत गीता अभी तक पढ़ी नहीं है, उन्होंने भागवतम अभी तक पढ़ा नहीं है। जिस दिन भागवतम और भागवत गीता इस्कॉन की पढ़ेंगे और शुद्ध भक्तों के साथ कीर्तन करेंगे, नाचेंगे, तो उनका व्यू बदल जाएगा। ठीक है? हरि बोल।